Ever wondered what makes a vegan pastry kitchen successful? Today, we'll unveil the top 7 secrets. From commitment to quality to a deep-rooted passion for veganism, these are the elements that make vegan patisseries shine. So, buckle up as we start our countdown from number 7. At number 7, we have commitment to quality. In the world of vegan pastries, the quality of your ingredients is paramount. Fresh, high-quality ingredients lay the foundation for a successful pastry kitchen. Quality ingredients result in quality pastries, no exceptions. Coming in at number 6 is creativity in recipes. In the world of vegan pastries, creativity is key. It's about turning simple, plant-based ingredients into mouth-watering delights. A unique recipe can set your kitchen apart. Never underestimate the power of a creative recipe. Our number 5 secret is knowledge and understanding of veganism. This isn't just about avoiding animal products. It's about grasping why certain ingredients work and others don't, and how these choices impact everything from flavor to texture. A deep understanding of veganism is crucial to success. Patience and persistence lands at number 4. In the world of vegan pastry, mastering recipes and techniques is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes a dash of patience and a sprinkle of persistence to perfect the art. Remember, good things take time. Secret 3 is all about constant learning. The vegan pastry world is ever evolving, with fresh trends and innovative techniques appearing daily. To stay at the forefront, you need to keep learning, exploring new recipes, and adapting to changes. Stay curious, stay successful. At number 2, we have community engagement. It's vital to connect with the vegan community, understand their needs, and incorporate their feedback. The more engaged you are, the more your vegan pastry kitchen will thrive. Remember, your community is your biggest ally. And now, for our number 1 secret, passion for veganism. The secret ingredient to a successful vegan pastry kitchen is your passion. It's this love for veganism that will fuel your creativity, inspire your recipes, and drive your success. Passion is the ultimate ingredient. And there you have it, the top 7 secrets to a successful vegan pastry kitchen. Let's recap. Quality commitment, creative recipes, vegan understanding, patience, continuous learning, community engagement, and passion. Remember, success is a delicious blend of quality, creativity, knowledge, patience, learning, community, and passion.